crust them in half. So I light the stove for the dumpling. And then we just take up each of them, slice it down the middle. So what me do is just hold it firmly, start it from the tip of the blade and push it. Cut it in half. So some people then put it on the cutting board and slice it. But it works better for me when I hold it in my hand, but it's not safe. But when you're used to something, you just tend to do it all the time. Go that chamba. Me hold it. After we cut up all of the dumpling them now, come and just turn on the fire under the oil pot. So if we cut up them half them already. Then when I'm done now, I start fry them. And when we start fry them now, we move on to the seasoning and the sausage, right? So we have that. And what we're gonna do